It does come with some safety instructions. And then here are the lights themselves coming out of the box. You see they all come wrapped up and perfectly wired. You can see all the different colors in here. We got oranges, greens, blues, pinks, reds, and looking forward to setting these up. They look like they're really high quality and ready to go. And you can see that we have a two-pronged plug here, as well as what looks like something that you could plug in another set of string lights if you wanted to. So you could make this more than just one set of string lights. And that's pretty nice that you could string these together to make more and more lights. Now, it doesn't come with any extra bulbs if one burns out, but I can show you how easy it is to take these out. You just grab the bottom right here, and then you can pull up on the light, and there you go. It pops right out like that. And then it'd be really easy just to push it back in, and there you go. It'll be easy to replace a light bulb, but again, they don't give you any extras, so you might have to go out and get a new bulb for yourself if one does go out. So let's go plug them in and see how they look. All right, we're gonna start decorating this tree, but before we do that with the Christmas lights, we're gonna plug it in and make sure that all the lights actually turn on. So here's just a quick look at the lights. We're gonna do a little test to see if they actually work right out of the box. So, okay, let's turn them on. Oh, they sure do. And look how bright they are. They're so beautiful. These lights are awesome. The blues, the greens, the reds. Look how much they're lighting up that wall right there. And the lights are on in this room too. So it's crazy how much light these are putting out. Awesome lights. And the quick test of plugging them in shows that they are all working. And so I'm going to decorate the tree and then turn them on and show you what they look like. So now that I've gotten this far into decorating the tree, I would tell you don't unwind them like I did right at the beginning. Just keep them in a ball. I think that would be easier to just wrap around the tree like that because I keep having to pull the whole wire around the tree. Just make it easier for you if you just keep them in their little balls as you unroll it and decorate your tree. All right, so I have all the lights set up on the tree. You can see them in there. They're nice and spaced out evenly. Let's go for the moment of truth and see how they look when they're turned on. And they look awesome. Look at all those beautiful lights all over this tree. They're shining through from the back, they're shining through from the front, and they all look so bright and amazing. Look at all those different colors, the pinks, the oranges, the blues, man, the reds. Oh, they're just all so pretty. I really like this. And this is a 4-foot Christmas tree, and it honestly wrapped it up perfectly with just one set of those Christmas lights. So really appreciating these.